Today we will study about the congenital adrenal hyperplasia. So this is the adrenal gland which is consist of the cortex and the medulla, and this is the histology of the adrenal gland. So this is the pathway how the adrenal cortex hormone synthesis takes place. Okay. So what is the congenital adrenal hyperplasia in short form, which is called as the CAH? Congenital adrenal hyperplasia is a family of inherited disorder affecting the adrenal glands. The autosomal recessive means mutation of chromosome 6 to 21 hydroxylase enzyme impairment, commoner in consanguineous marriages. So here you can see the unaffected carrier father and when married with the unaffected carrier mother, then there is a chances of unaffected 1 in 4 chance of their children is normal. Then carrier 1 in 4 chance the carrier is unaffected. Here also the carrier, that is 1 in 4 chance the carrier is unaffected, and affected is means in all the 25% chances to have the unaffected child and the affected child. So this is the sucrose. Here the hypothalamus CRH, it is pituitary, it secrete the adrenocorticotropic hormone. So adrenal secrete the cortisol, and this pathway is inhibited by the CRH and produce the stressors. So these are the stressors. Due to inhibition of the pathway, the stressor produce. The 21 hydroxylase deficiency, there is greater than 90% chances. The classical salt wasting 75%, 1 in 15,000. Simple virilizing is 25%, means 1 in 16,000. Non-classic 1 in 1,000. And other types of CH is the 11 hydroxylase deficiency, 1 in 100,000 chance. 70 alpha hydroxylase deficiency, 1% chance. And 3 hydroxysteroid derise deficiency, there is a 1% chance. So this deficiency of this hormone cause the CAH. CAH is due to the 21 OH deficiency. The classical salt-wasting, classical simple virilization, and the non-classical. So pediatric, here the age at external genitalia, birth 6 months normal, 1 month ambiguous. Then here the in males, classical simple virilization 2 to 4 year normal, and female 2 years ambiguous. Aldosterone at birth in 6 months is low in case of male, and in classical simple virilization normal in case of male. In non-classical example, the child to adult, the male is normal, and female usually normal may have clitoromegaly. Here the cortisol also low in classic salt wasting male, classic simple virilization also the low cortisol show, and non-classical the normal level of cortisol show. 70 OH is the basal greater than 20,000 Na per dl. Basal is greater than 10,000 to 20,000 Na per dl. ACTH is stimulated 1,500 to 10,000 Ng per dl. Percent of normal activity is 0 in case of classical salt wasting in case of male. In classical simple virilization 1 to 2 chances, and then non-classical also the 20 to 50. The cholesterol secretes the androgens. stimulate the progesterone, and it stimulate deoxycorticosterone and produce the aldosterone. This progesterone stimulate the in presence of the hormone 7-hydroxyprogesterone converted into 21 1-hydroxylase. This 70-hydroxyprogesterone converted into 11-deoxycortisol, then later converted into cortisol in presence of enzyme 11-beta-hydroxylase. The relative difficulty synthesizing cortisol causes the more production of precursors, some of which are shunted into the excess androgen production. 21-hydroxy deficiency, the waste sodiums. 11-hydroxy deficiency retains sodium since DOC in a potent mineralocorticoids. तो इन हार्मोन में डिफिशियंसी आने की वजह से जो एंड्रोजन की जो क्वांटिटी हो क्या हो जाएगी, बढ़ जाएगी. Therefore, it is called as the adrenogenital syndrome. Mainly these two hormone deficiency of this mainly due to deficiency of this mainly two hormone. Cortisol deficiency cause the hypoglycemia, inability to withstand stress, vasomotor collapse, hyperpigmentation, apneic spell, muscle weakness and fatigue. Aldosterone deficiency cause hyponatremia, hyperkalemia, vomiting, urinary sodium wasting, salt craving, acidosis, failure to thrive, volume depletion, hypotension, dehydration, shock and diarrhea. Androgen excess produce the ambiguous genitalia, virilization of external genitalia, hirsutism, early appearance of pubic hair, penile enlargement, excessive height gain and skeletal advance, late onset CH, normal genitalia, have acne, hirsutism, irregular menses and amenorrhea. Investigation. Karyotyping determines sex chromosomes. Abdominal ultrasound to detect presence of uterus, cervix and vagina. Serum 7-hydroxyprogesterone. Biochemical diagnosis studies elevated serum 70-OHP 0.25 mg IV bolus of ACTH after 16 minutes. Glucocorticoid or the oral hypercortisone 30 to 18 mg 24 hours is 3 divided doses. Monitoring serum concentration of adrenal precursor 70 OHP and linear growth and skeletal age assessment. During stressful state is febrile illness or surgery. 3-hexaiodos in severe emergency intramuscular acid glucocorticoids. Then mineralocorticoid therapy at a dose of 0.1 to 0.2 mg per 24 hours plus sodium chloride supplement 1 to 2 gram per daily. Monitoring serum sodium, potassium, plasma, renin activity level. Surgical correction of ambiguous genitalia by 1-2 year or normal development of gender identity. CYP21 genotype can be performed in a family with history of CH. Treatment with dexamethasone to suppress fetal ACTH induce androgen production can eliminate ambiguity of external genitalia in affected female fetus. Female suboptimal breast enlargement, late menarche, amenorrhea, irregular menses, reduced insulin sensitivity, PCOS, male oligospermia, testicular tumor. Adrenal crisis is important to recognize because of its potentially life-threatening implication. When the adrenal is prevented from producing normal amount of its vital hormone, symptoms and signs of adrenal crisis are varied and non-specific. In infancy, these induce lethargy, vomiting, poor appetite, and failure to thrive. In older children, chronic fatigue, headache, gastrointestinal symptoms, salt craving, and excess skin pigmentation may be noted. The underlying problem include low blood sugar, low sodium, dehydration, low pressure, all predisposing the individual to heart failure and shock collapse. These are references. Thank you.